Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the game exists as a digital title, because only a purchased digital license removes the disc requirement. Sign into the Xbox Live account that owns or will buy the title. This links the license to you. Once done, make sure your Xbox 360 has enough internal or external storage and is connected to the internet so the download can begin. This avoids any hardware hacks and keeps your console in warranty-safe condition as you proceed. You purchase the digital copy through the Xbox 360 store or Microsoft Store on PC, then initiate the download directly to the console or to a compatible external HDD. Download speed depends on your connection, so monitor progress and avoid powering off mid-download. Make sure you remain signed in with the buying account so the license attaches to that profile. Otherwise, you may need to sign in each time. This step replaces the disc, because the license now authorizes play without media. You can now launch the downloaded game while signed into the account that owns it. The console checks the license online or locally and allows play without a disc. Once installed, set this Xbox as the primary or home console if available so other local profiles can access the title. If you encounter a block, restore licenses in account settings, ensure the console has internet access, and re-download the content if needed. This typically resolves authorization mismatches quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.